Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for the telephone game YouTube Hop for the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, and that was my telephone layout. And I decided to pull out and finish one of my little scrappy little adventures to Amy from Scrapping Amy. And she happened to take this photo to document the fact that yes, I do some things while I am, at her house, because a lot of times people don't think I scrapbook, but I promise you I do when I go to those things. So that is what that photo is. I'm working really hard on something, and I wanted to take the diagonals of this layout. So the person that was in behind me, or where I got the layout from, was from Hannah. So her link will be down below because you want to skip to the next person on mine for this this telephone game hop. And the person that you're going to check out will be Laura Alberts, and she is after me. And what not for that part of it, but it is an amazing, I love doing this. It is fun to do these types of layouts. It's perfect. I love getting different inspirations from everybody. So make sure that if you are just checking mine out today, that you keep checking back every day to find out who is next. So like for tomorrow, you want to make sure that you go check out Laura's, and then so forth and so on from there on. And then it'll wrap back around from Krista to Lisa Brooks, and then the hop will be done. So the next few days, you have to check out everybody's to see how this hop went. And so I decided to get out one of the Close to My Heart collections that unfortunately is no longer available, but it works out perfect for one, this photograph, and two, it works well for how I decided to take the angle part of it from Hannah's layout and put it into mine. I do a background piece, and I do make sure that this gray is an edge, and everything on this layout is from Close to My Heart. I will link my website down below. This one is no longer available, but that's okay. You still can get tons of inspiration. Right now we've got our fall and Halloween collections up, and then obviously you guys all know that Christmas is just around the corner, and our new catalog will be coming out soon and whatnot. So if you are wanting a kit from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, you have to contact Christina, because I love her kits. Her kits are amazing. She does an amazing job, and I'll link her down below as well, because if I can't get it through Close to My Heart, I know for a fact I can get it through Christina, and Christina just does an amazing job on her layouts, and also making the kits up for all of us. So I am taking care of all of these layering, and it is done. I did distress everything, and now I'm looking at doing up my photograph. I just wanted to do a little bit of dots to make sure I knew where to place this so that it looks right. And my title is going to be called Make Memories. It's one of the stickers that is in this collection, and I thought that it worked out perfect. I do some fussy cutting, as well as just making sure that I've got everything that I want to put on this layout goes on it. Make sure that you go and check out the person behind so that you can see where I got the inspiration from, or if you want to be a little risky on it, make sure that don't go backwards. Keep following through all the way until you get back to mine. So start with mine and then go all the way through to see how this evolves from mine, and it goes that way. I can't wait to see Laura's, because even though that Laura and I talk almost on a weekly basis, she didn't send me this one. She didn't send me what it looks like afterwards. Normally, like the last time, well, we always do collaborations together anyway, but we always send a photograph of what ours looks like. And this time, if I believe it or not, I don't think I have. But I still think it is cool. I love doing these hops. Christina from Christina's Beautiful Life does an amazing job on getting this all together for us at the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. All of us that do YouTube. There's also, what am I thinking of? Instagram hops as well. As there are some that is not YouTube related that you can go and check out as well, because, you know, that's amazing too. And so here is my title. Now it's called Make Memories. And I wanted to place it down on there so that that arrow is right where that pink starts. And I thought that that would be perfect for my title, and then I'll just, you know, add things from there. And it's, you know, after all of this, it's pretty much done. Like, I go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. But for the most part, everything is done after this. And now you're just going to watch the embellishment set from side to side on this. So that works out wonderful. I just love how this turns out. I just love it. I think it's perfect. I just love how this is done. My title up there is called Lovely, and I get out all of these little rubber pieces and make them stick down because I do like them as well. And I do, like I said, I do some fussy cutting. You'll see me start to fussy cut, and then I come back to finish out the rest of the layout. I fussy cut out the flowers and stuff so that you can see a little bit more of that component come out as well. I do put down this camera, and it doesn't really hide anything that little corner that I placed it in, there wasn't much really there to begin with. Oh, excuse me, sorry about that. And then it says, that little rubber piece is Cutie, so it's Make Memories Cutie is my title. And then I place half of this frame up on top there, and I get the word Lovely written down, or stuck down I should say, with a couple little hearts. And I do come in obviously at the end with some splatters, so it doesn't look like I'm just randomly leaving that up there and not really doing much more with it. So I think here now, yep, I'm done. So now I place everything down just so that you can see what I'm doing. All of it's down. You'll get to see it come together. I do pull out my white, what is it? My white acrylic paint to do up my white splatters. And then pretty much all of this is done. Now make sure that you go check out Laura tomorrow on this hop. See what she has done with my take. As you can go back and check out the other two that started this hop. I hope that you enjoy. I hope that you enjoy this. Make sure that you look at all of the links down below to see what we have done. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Now I'm just gluing everything down and getting it all stuck down to make it all match and look all pretty and fancy dancy and all of that jazz. And like I said, I do come in with some splatters at the end. You'll see me do that. I get the hearts and stuff down to make them look right. And I'll get my photos placed down. I think I have it backed with some foam tape already anyway. Yep, see, I knew I did. Okay, all right, well, I am finishing up on doing this. My splatters are coming up. My still shots are coming up as well. Make sure that you go check out everybody in this hop. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.